Prepare ledger, balances of the last year brought forward. So we have some names of accounts here. Let's start writing. Cash account is the first. Cash account balance, always a debit balance. We cannot spend more cash than what we have. 2. Balance, brought down. We will write here brought down. At the starting we have to write brought down. At the end, when there is total and the difference is written as carried down. So 2 balance brought down, 200. Next is a bank account. It also has a debit balance, 2 balance, brought down, 250. Now what is the next we have? It is stock. Stock also has a debit balance, as it is our asset. Stock account, 2 balance, brought down, 300. Next, furniture. Having a debit balance, 2 balance, brought down, 200. What do I have next? Building. Two balance, building again my asset, 2 balance, brought down, 700. Debtor. I've sold him goods and now I want to take money back from him, my asset, 2 balance, brought down, 250. What's next? Creditor. Now creditor, from whom I have purchased and I need to pay him in near future. Creditor is always my liability, having a credit balance. Creditor has a credit balance. So while writing credit balance, I write by. Instead of 2 here, I write by here. By balance, brought down, 200. And last, loan taken. Loan taken. I need to repay this loan if I have taken it. So again my liability, having a credit balance, by balance, brought down, 200. So this is all. This is how we post our entries, the balances into the ledger. Okay. Now let's check whether the debit and the credit sides are matching. Cash, bank, stock, furniture, building and debtor all have a debit balance. So take the addition of these and subtract 400, because creditors and loans taken is only 200 plus 200, 400. The balancing figure, like there is something left here which has to be credited to keep the debit side and the credit side equal. And what is that? That is our capital account. So by capital has a credit balance, by balance brought down how much? The difference between the addition of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items minus 400 2 credit items comes to be 1500. So this is the last entry. When the debit and the credits are not matching, check why. If the credit is lower, why is it lower? Keep the balancing figure as capital.